Issue sa pamilya De Leon lumutang sa unang anibersaryo ng pagpanaw ni Nora Aunor. Umani ng atensyon ang unang anibersaryo ng pagpanaw ng superstar at national artist na si Nora Aunor matapos lumutang ang issue sa pagitan ng kanyang mga anak. Noong Huwebes, Abril 16, 2026, nagkaroon ng magkahiwalay na banal na misa para sa paggunita ng kanyang kamatayan. Ang kanyang biological son na si Ian De Leon ang nanguna sa misa na ginanap sa libingan ng mga bayani. Samantala, hindi dumalo sa nasabing misa ang kanyang mga adopted children na sina Lotlot De Leon, Matet De Leon at Kenneth De Leon. Sa halip, nagsagawa sila ng sariling misa sa St. John Paul II Parish. Dumalo rin sa misa ng magkakapatid sa Eastwood ang Diamond Star na si Maricel Soriano bilang espesyal na panauhin. Naging mas mainit ang usapin matapos maglabas ng opisyal na pahayag ang kampo ni Lotlot De Leon sa pamamagitan ng kanyang abogado na si Mark Julius Estor. Ayon sa kanilang pahayag, hindi umano kinonsulta si Lotlot sa pagtatatag ng isang one-person corporation, OPC, na kinabibilangan ng Nora Aunor Enterprise at Nora Aunor Foundation, na sinasabing proyekto ni Ian De Leon bilang pag-alala sa kanilang ina. Pinabulaanan din nila ang naunang pahayag ni Ian na kinonsulta niya ang kanyang mga kapatid. Iginiit ng kampo ni Lotlot na wala siyang anumang partisipasyon sa naturang korporasyon mula sa pagtatatag hanggang sa pamamahala nito. Dagdag pa nila, may issue rin umano sa legalidad ng pagtatatag ng foundation sa pamamagitan ng OPC. Ayon pa sa kampo ni Lotlot, wala umanong naiwan na last will and testament si Nora Aunor na magbibigay kay Ian ng eksklusibong kapangyarihan sa pamamahala ng kanyang estate. Binigyang diin din na hindi hinahangad ni Lotlot ang anumang mana, kusang loob siyang lumayo sa mga usaping legal at may sarili na siyang foundation na dati nang ipinaalam kay Ian. Ngunit ikinasama raw ng loob ni Lotlot ang umano'y pagtanggi ni Ian na may alam siya tungkol sa naturang foundation. Walang komunikasyon sa magkapatid. Ayon sa kampo ng aktres, nanahimik si Lotlot noon bilang respeto sa alaala ng kanilang ina at upang maiwasan ang mas malaking sigalot. Ngunit nagkaroon umano ng maling interpretasyon ang kanyang pananahimik. Mariin nilang sinabi na hindi papayag si Lotlot na madawit ang kanyang pangalan sa mga bagay na wala siyang kinalaman o sa mga pahayag na hindi umano totoo. Narito ang buong pahayag ng kampo ni Lotlot De Leon. Our client, Miss Lotlot De Leon, eldest daughter of our late national artist of the Philippines for film and broadcast arts, Miss Nora Aunor, would be issuing this statement today to clarify her lack of involvement with any or all initiatives organized by Mr. Ian De Leon relative to the administration and management of the estate of their mother in light of the recent interview he had on the 71 episode of ABS-CBN news channels Beyond the Exchange with journalist and veteran anchor Rico Hizon. To dispel any speculations and doubt, Ms. De Leon was not in any way and in any capacity involved or consulted in the establishment of a one-person corporation, OPC, for both a foundation and an enterprise in honor of Miss Nora Aunor, which Mr. Ian De Leon has mentioned in his interview. In fact, it is our view that a foundation cannot be established through an OPC legally. Any statement of attribution to Ms. De Leon is misleading and a false representation. She has not participated in the founding, management, or fundraising efforts of the OPCS that Mr. Lan De Leon has established, and that her personal charitable efforts remain focused elsewhere. In Mr. De Leon's recent interview, he stated that despite the claim of being the sole heir, our client and her siblings are still included in the plans. Our client denies such statement as insofar as she is concerned, she was not consulted and simply informed at the very least of any participation or plans for the administration of their mother's estate. To our client's knowledge, there is no last will and testament executed assigning sole administration and authority to the estate of their mother. Miss De Leon is not after any inheritance nor seeking for any gain attached to the estate and legacy of her mother. She has stepped away completely, and this was a conscious and respectful decision after Mr. Ian De Leon chose to take full responsibility for all legal matters. Relative to the foundation that our client has previously established together with her siblings, Mr. Ian De Leon, was informed about this matter beforehand and he expressed his support then. It was deeply hurtful and difficult to understand on our client's end when, after the foundation's YouTube channel and Facebook page were made public, he denied knowledge of the same. Ian De Leon and our client have no communication since. Sa kabila ng kontrobersya, nanawagan ang kampo ni Lotlot sa publiko na ituon na lamang ang pansin sa pag-alala sa pamana ni Nora Aunor.